Hello, I'm Dario and I'll be introducing you to the Citroen Berlingo panel van. Like all our vans, this vehicle has undergone 128 inspection points by AA and it's covered under their warranty for the first 3 months, plus you get roadside assistance included for the first year with a single call-out. Both warranty and roadside assistance can be extended here at the dealership. This specific exemplar comes painted in white and the driver edition trim level. Comes fitted with front and rear parking sensors and fog lights. 10-spoke 16 inches gloss black alloys, gloss black rear view mirrors which are both heated and power fold, color-coded rear bumpers with parking sensors, barn-style opening doors, and a third brake light height mounted camera. The sliding door is located on the curbs, and the mirror on the very same side is also equipped with the blind spot monitoring camera. The floor in the back is fully lined and gives you access to 6 anchorage points to secure all your cargo, and then you also have a full metal bulkhead with a load-through hatch which extends into the cabin by 68 centimeters. You have 123 centimeters of space in between the wheel arches, 120 centimeters of height at the lowest point of the roof, and 164 centimeters of fully usable floor space. The cabin is in a 3-seat configuration with all 3 seats in a charcoal fabric, and the driver's seat fully independent and fully adjustable. The middle seat is also equipped with a folding tray table which extends and pivots, making it more comfortable to use either a tablet or a laptop. Over the dashboard you have 2 locked compartments, one on the passenger side and one right in front of the driver. And the multifunction steering wheel is adjustable both in height and depth. You can find the commands for the infotainment, voice commands and trip computer, which is a color screen. And over the right hand side you have more infotainment and call function as well. As part of the driver edition trim level, you have automatic headlights and cruise control, and automatic wipers. At the right hand side of the driver, you can find a comfy dial to adjust the height of the beam, controls for the power windows, and the power fold mirrors. For the infotainment, you have a Citroen NAC with an 8-inch widescreen, fitted with navigation powered by TomTom, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay through USB Type-A cable, Bluetooth capability as well, and from here you access multiple features of the vehicle, like a quick diagnostic system, toggles for parking sensor and traction control, option to either auto-fold the mirrors, welcome home lighting and guide me home lighting when you turn off the vehicle, and also if you want to toggle the universal unlock or just single door unlock through the key. Underneath the infotainment you can find all the controls for the air conditioning and the electronic handbrake. In place of where usually you would have an interior rear view mirror, you have a 6 inches digital color screen connected to both cameras of the vehicle. Whenever you engage reverse, it will automatically switch to a wide-angle camera with trajectory outline of the vehicle, and you also have a toggle to switch between different cameras, like regular rear digital camera and the blind spot monitoring camera, which is really useful, especially while driving during the motorway. As per trim level, the gear selector is finished with a leather gaiter and gloss black piano black trim over the sides. This vehicle comes with a 5-gear manual transmission. And these are some of the features and benefits of the Citroen Berlingo. For any inquiries, feel free to contact us.